story is called Bear Shark and the Split Personality Supervillain by students at PS 13. Once upon a time, in a school in NYC, there was an 8-year-old police shark bear named Bear Shark. You may ask yourself how a shark bear can get to school in NYC, but every day Bear Shark swam up the Hudson River to get to his school on the Upper West Side. Bear Shark got along really well with all of his classmates, but there was one student that sometimes he got along with and sometimes he didn't. It was very confusing. There was a student that sometimes said her name was Mary and sometimes said that her name was Raven. But she always looked the same. Bear Shark was so confused because he always got along very well with the girl when she called herself Raven. But when she was Mary, she was super mean to him and gave him a very weird feeling. It turned out that Mary and Raven were the same person, and that she had a split personality like Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. But the crazy thing is that Mary and Raven didn't know each other were there. Dun dun dun! Dun, 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 dun. It was a big problem because Raven was very nice and wanted all good things in the world. But Mary was a supervillain who wanted to take over the entire world. Every day, Mary would come up with an evil plot to try to make bad things happen at the school. Bear Shark finally noticed and realized that Mary was a supervillain. He tried to tell Raven that she had an evil side of her personality that was a supervillain, but he didn't realize that Raven was actually Mary at that point. Mary got really angry and said that if Bear Shark ever told Raven that she was there, that she would hurt him. Ugh. Bear Shark was kind of scared, but he thought that Raven was his friend and thought that she needed to know that sometimes Mary was using her body to try to take over the entire world. One day at school in September, Bear Shark finally managed to make sure that it was Raven he was talking to. He told her all about Mary and her evil plans for world domination. But talking about Mary woke her up, and suddenly Raven was transformed into Mary again. Oh no! Mary was really angry and started to chase after Bear Shark. Their battle was epic as they in and out of the Hudson River, in the school, and all over NYC. Finally, Bear Shark realized that he needed to use his superpowers. He used his laser eyes. Pew, 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 pew. And it scared Mary so much that she ran completely out of Raven's body, never to return. Everyone was so happy that they had a big party. That's the party music. Raven was so thankful that she and Bear Shark became best friends, and he started teaching her how to be a superhero police officer like him. Eventually, after they graduated, they got married and settled down in a secret apartment in NYC without too much noise and yelling. The end.